Hello, what's up YouTube photographer ronnixphotography. In this tutorial, I'll be showing how you can easily and simply whiten eyes in Photoshop, and you can use the same technique for teeth whitening when it comes to Photoshop. So I'm going to be showing how you can whiten eyes and teeth in Photoshop, and later on how you can create an action or a shortcut that is going to help or enable you do it with just a single click. So stick around, and if at all you haven't hit the like button on this video, simply hit the like button, because when you hit the like button, it helps you to push and recommend this video or this channel to many people out there. So in order to whiten eyes, we have to first of all analyze the colors in this very image. So when you look at the eyes, for example, you can see that we have so many random colors. So if at all I'm to show you, we have some yellows, we have some reds, we have some greens, and some other random brown color existing within the eyes. So just want to learn how we can eliminate these colors. So in order to eliminate these white areas from the eyes, we are simply going to come to the adjustments right here and simply choose hue and saturation. So when you select hue and saturation, remember, whitening is basically going to be cleaning up and removing these other random colors from the white area of the eye. So in order to remove these other random colors, the reds, the yellows that I was talking about before, simply come and make sure you have selected the master under hue and saturation. So you come to the adjustments and select hue and saturation, and it's going to open up the hue and saturation box right here. So just come and make sure it is set to master. So just come to where you see saturation, and you can take the saturation down. But as you're doing that, you can notice that the image is going to look a little bit desaturated, because when you leave the master option selected, it's going to take away all the colors from the image. But as you're taking out the colors from the image, it is going to make the white area of the eyes whiter. So if at all you want to increase on the brightness of the eyes, you can as well come to the lightness and simply take up the lightness slightly. So remember, the effect is now affecting the overall image, and we only want to limit it so that it can only affect the white area of the eye. So in Photoshop, remember, white is going to reveal, that is why the effect is displaying over the image, and black is going to hide. So make sure you select this white layer mask and simply come and press Ctrl I, or you can press Command I on the keyboard. And after doing that, it's going to invert or hide the effect from affecting the image. So in order to reveal the effect in the white area, we just have to paint it back in the white area of the eyes. So just come, right click and get the brush tool, and make sure the hardness is set to 0 and soft round brush is selected. So make sure soft round brush is selected, and the mode is normal, opacity at 100%, float at 100%. Make sure you have black and white on these two color swatches right here. So if at all you have any other random color that is not black and white, you can simply reset by left clicking on these tiny boxes so that you can have black and white, or you can simply press D on the keyboard to reset. So after doing that, you are simply going to get the brush tool with the black layer mask selected, increase on the size of the brush by using the bracket keys on the keyboard, and you are simply going to come and just paint on the white area. So just paint on what you feel should be white in the white area of the eye. Remember, by default, this is not necessarily white, so don't paint in this area. Only paint on what you feel should be white. So you can use the space bar and simply hold down and left click and drag to move to the second eye. So you can use the same technique rather for teeth whitening, and just paint on the teeth that you want to whiten. So right now the eyes have now gotten to white. So before, after, before, after. And if at all the effect is too much, always come to opacity and reduce on the opacity to your liking. So I'll leave mine to the maximum. So how to create a shortcut or an action for these steps, simply come and delete this. So in order to create the action for eye whitening, we are simply going to come right here and come to window and make sure the actions panel is open. So you come to window and select actions. So after doing that, in order to record the action, we simply have to first of all create a folder where the action is going to be stored or located. So click on the folder icon and you can rename that to eye whitening. So you can name it whatever you want. So for this case, I'm just going to name it eye whitening and click OK. So after doing that, you can see that the folder has been created. So I'm going to click on this add action icon right here. So click on it and you can now rename the action to whatever you want. So I'm just going to name mine to eyes, just like that. And you can assign a function key and you can even assign a button, so that when you're in button mode, it is going to display this orange color. And you can as well assign a shortcut key. So for this, I'm just going to leave it to the default to none. So I'll just come and click OK. Then you're going to do the same steps. So just come right here, come to hue and saturation, come to master, and simply you can see that the action is now recording. So just come to saturation and take it down to around negative 77 or 79, and select this white layer mask and simply press Ctrl I on the keyboard. Or you can even brighten the eyes even before doing Ctrl I and brighten it up a little bit. And with this white layer mask selected, press Ctrl I like we did, and simply come and select the brush tool right there. So the brush tool, opacity and the flat 100%. And after doing that, simply come and stop playing the action. So right now, every step that we did has been recorded. So we can now come and delete the folder created, and we try to test and see if at all the action that we have been or we were creating can work well. So come to the folder where the action was stored or stored when we are recording it. So select it and simply click on the play button, and it has played everything. So just zoom in and you can just come and go straight into painting on the eyes, just like that. You can see right now it is just easy and very quick. Just paint. So if at all you make a mistake or error, you can as well switch the brush back to black and it can erase the effect for whatever area that you did not want to affect. So just like that, you have created an eye and teeth whitening action. So let's do this once again. Play it and just zoom in. And you can now come and paint in the white area of the eye to whiten the eyes. Just like that. So this is how you can easily do your eye and teeth whitening in Photoshop and how to create an action for it. And if at all you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If at all you have been watching and you're not subscribed yet to this channel, Ronnix from ronnixphotography. Thank you for watching and see you yet more videos on this channel. And don't forget to keep practicing and also keep creating.